Last year I was suffering from persistent headaches. I had ringing in my ears and some other discomfort. Dr. John Gray of Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus recommended a friend of his who's a homeopathic doctor in the LA area, and this guy's remedies made me feel like a new person. So we recently brought this good doctor in to chat about how natural remedies can help you. Do you suffer from headaches, anxiety, menopausal symptoms? Well, our next guest has successfully treated patients around the world without expensive or risky prescription drugs, and his advice could help you. He's a leading practitioner of homeopathic wellness. Welcome, Dr. Salar Farahmand. Good to see you.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Mr. Spencer.
Yes, well, you have actually treated me for some symptoms that I had very effectively.
Thank you for inviting me here, and pleasure to be with you.
Well, good, good. I think a lot of our viewers would like to know essentially what is the difference between homeopathic medicine and conventional medicine.
There is a lot of difference because both wants to help patients.
Yeah, right, exactly. We would hope so.
I hope they're going to work in conjunction together, and the main difference may be alternative in general, or particularly homeopathy, are concentrating on energy, vital force.
So your
of the patient.
Your treatments are designed to improve and increase the patient's energy.
That's right.
That vital force.
That's right.
Okay, and you're dealing with natural substances.
That's right. That's right.
These are not prescription drugs.
No, because vital force is doing the job. Mm-hmm. The body heals itself, usually not the medication.
Right.
So this medication coming and awaken the vital force, and then the vital force does the job. What I do, I just made combination of the herbal medicine and some nutritional medicine or nutritional product, and also from homeopathic remedies. So I made combination of formula to help many different problems.
Well, now, I know that you feel that many of the ailments people complain about these days are the result of buildup of toxins in their system, and in some cases the result of brain trauma, like little playground accidents that we experience as kids that affect us later in life. So how do you treat these things?
Thank you very much to mention that. It is a great formula which I regulated over 15 years, and I just addressed the trauma, blow, injury which happened in the past. We don't know, most of the children are falling from trees, bicycles, car accident, sport injury, slippery fall, and maybe they have some symptom later on. After 2-3 days, everything is going to be disappear. But maybe many years later, they're going to develop some symptom which we have to be able to relate those symptoms to that trauma in the past.
Let's talk specifically about complaints that you get from women. Things like menopausal symptoms or anxiety and depression or bloating and weight control. How do you treat these concerns?
Usually any problem, we address the toxin, we address the deficiency of the building block of the cell, like minerals, trace elements, amino acid, fat, hydrocarbon, enzymes, and then we're going to address the root of the problem. Which for any symptom different.
Well, when you treated me for my ailments earlier this year, our consultations were entirely by way of telephone and email before we ever met in person.
That's right.
Yet the treatments were effective. So let's say a woman who's watching right now is dealing with a problem of migraine headaches or weight control or hormonal imbalances. What should she do? Call a homeopathic doctor and just have a consultation on the phone?
Sure. We do it.
And what do you learn from that consultation?
Because I did it many years, and I love to do that, because only looking on the patient maybe is not enough, but asking right question and targeting right points in your question, maybe you reach to the point, to the main point.
So by having an in-depth conversation and listening to the patient describe all of what's going on in her life, you can arrive at what the proper herbal or homeopathic treatment is.
That's right. Usually I taught, because I have background 20 years in Western medicine, then I taught maybe classic homeopathy is a little bit heavy to digest for the public. So I developed some formula, some system, some method, which is this bridge between convention medicine and alternative medicine. So I just take benefit of all this medicine together and make formula to address everything.
So you're talking about homeopathic medicine and conventional medicine working together.
Yes, I believe that. I believe that we have
complementary to each other.
Go to the point that we can refer each other, patient, and conventional medicine and alternative medicine. They don't come to say I'm better than the other one.
Right.
We are coming to help the patient, and conjunction together, cooperation or teamwork, much better to succeed in helping the patient.
So if a patient calls you and that person is taking a prescription medication, you don't say stop taking it,
never,
put it away.
Never ever patient coming to me with high blood pressure pills, high blood sugar, high blood cholesterol. I have first honored his doctor because they made a diagnosis. Right now, the patient is under the supervision of the doctor, so we let them continue their medication, and there is nothing wrong with these two medicines to go together.
Right. Well, I can tell you from personal experience that I called Dr. Farahmand. I had extensive discussions on the phone about my symptoms. You were able to pinpoint what my energy needs were, and I do feel better. And so if you want to consult your homeopathic doctor, you don't have to do that in place of your medical doctor, but in conjunction with.
That's right.
All right. Dr. Farahmand, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I feel better.
Thank you very much.
And we will have more details on our website about Dr. Farahmand and homeopathic medicine in general. We'll be right back.
Sure.